PROTECTA Consortia was created with Horizon 2020 support, with the purpose of gathering several research groups focused in the study of oomycetes. As a well-articulated network, it will provide insights in the biology of these microorganisms and their hosts. The knowledge generated within the consortia will serve as a prime for the design of tools to manage global food security, biodiversity preservation, and to develop new sustainable disease control actions. Also, a new generation of scientists will be trained in PROTECTA Consortia thanks to the extensive training program designed for this purpose. In this multidisciplinary network, some of the most important European universities can be found. Following, we would like to introduce each of the participant research groups. The Norwegian University of Life Sciences is located in a small community 30 kilometers south of the capital, Oslo. The Department of Plant Sciences at Faculty of Bioscience has the national responsibility for education and research on sustainable production. The Division of Biotechnology and Plant Health of the Norwegian Institute of Bioeconomic is part of the PROTECTA Consortium. This division has Norway's most comprehensive competence in plant health and plant protection in connection to both agriculture and forestry. The next project is being developed in the Forestry Faculty of Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences. The Forest Pathology Lab studies the biology, ecology and epidemiology of endemic and exotic invasive forest pathogens. Here is where the PhD student Noelia is developing her research. The lab work focuses on aspects of disease control and the interactions of trees with fungi and oomycetes. Jennifer and Christian are PROTECTA students in the Integrated Plant Protection Unit. They study the biology and ecology of pests and their natural enemies in agricultural and horticultural crops. At the University of Aberdeen, the research activity at the School of Biological Sciences is organized through 4 key research clusters with an international reputation for cutting-edge research. These programs affiliate staff and students with shared research interests, facilitate multidisciplinary ways of working, and incorporate seminar programs, symposia, and workshops for fostering collaboration and interaction. The Professor Stephen Woodward has extensive collaborations within EU projects and other networks. In his laboratory, a range of pathogen problems is under investigation. Maribor Hilleshock is a global supplier of sugar beet seed. It was established in the 1st of October 2017 and has more than 300 employees dedicated to sugar beet breeding and seed production in Denmark, Sweden, Italy, France, and the US. Most of the research activities are conducted in the pathology lab and seek to develop new disease-tolerant cultivars to manage sugar beet diseases. The Forester Hill campus in Aberdeen, Scotland, is one of the largest medical campuses in Europe. The Aberdeen Oomycete Laboratory is based on the IMS and it is directed by Professor Peter van West, the director of the International Centre for Aquaculture Research and Development and chair in mycology at the University of Aberdeen. Magdalena Silak is the PhD student of the PROTECTA Consortia developing her project in Peter's group. Wageningen University and Research is a national agriculture college. The plant breeding department is a collaboration between the business unit Plant Breeding of Wageningen Plant Research and the chair group Plant Breeding. The research is organized in 5 main groups. Dr. Vivian Vleeshouvers is leading a group on effector-assisted breeding. Her research aim is understanding the molecular interaction between potato and its pathogens. The laboratory has labs for biochemistry, tissue culture, cytogenetics, botany, and molecular genetics. The research laboratory in vegetal science is located in the southern France near Toulouse. It is part of INRA-E campus, which is the largest agricultural research center in Europe. The group is studying plant microbial interaction hosts 2 PROTECTA PhD students. The 2 PhD students in the consortia are supervised by Bernard Dumas and Elodie Gaulin. Tuscia University is located in the town of Viterbo, around 100 kilometers away from Rome. The Department for Innovation, Agri-Food and Forestry is divided into 4 scientific areas, which are complementary and mutually reinforcing. The Plant Pathology Laboratory is equipped to study the relationship between plants and microorganisms. Professor Ana Maria Vetraino, an expert in the biology and management of plant pathogens, main supervisor of the PhD student Dania Tavet, is participating in national and international research projects, with many publications related to monitoring and evaluation of Phytophthora community in natural environments. Oxford University is also part of the consortia. In the plant science department, different disciplines from plant sciences converge, such as biochemistry, cell and developmental biology, ecology, and evolution of plants. Within it, we can find Professor Ronier van den Hoorn's lab. In his lab, the PhD student Laura Ossorio Carballo is investigating the molecular mechanisms underpinning manipulation of those proteins by the plant pathogenic O-mycete Phytophthora infestans. Founded in 2007, Solinta is a true potato seed breeding and biotechnology company based in Wageningen, the hometown of one of the leading agricultural research institutions in the world. Solinta has made diploid hybrid breeding possible in potato. Solinta has successfully introduced a self-compatibility restorer gene into potato to enable hybrid potato breeding.